My name is Marina Vess. Hi, hello. Don't mind my hand, it got crazy with the eyeliner. As you can see, you're gonna see in this video. So let's begin the video. So I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Blemish Face Primer. Okay, so now that my eyebrows are completely on, I have carved them out completely, and I added a little eyebrow gel just to like keep them in place. And I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I'm gonna wear the Double Wear Estee Lauder. Start with my forehead first. I always like to start from the top to the bottom now, and then I'm gonna go super light with my foundation brush. Over it. In the center of that, put a little X there, a little there, on my side of the nose, and then down here. I don't know what I should do. I keep dipping, but you stick to me like glue. Try to listen, but all that keep coming. Try to listen. And it's going to dry, and then we're going to move on to the contouring. I only do a little bit because I don't like a whole lot of contouring. My face is very round. To use the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm gonna get a beauty blender and bake underneath. So now I'm going to add the eyeliner. I absolutely hate this part because I am terrible at eyeliner. I wouldn't say I'm a terrible, but I'm okay. You know, like I'm like a solid C. Before we start putting the eyeliner, because if we put the eyeliner, then it's gonna look crazy with powder all over it. This little tiny brush and some black shadow. Alright, so I like to pull this back. I know you're not supposed to, but I don't know, it helps me. On top of the eyeliner, just like look like it's being smudged. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and put on some falsies. So I'll be right back, do that, and then we'll get into the lip liner. Just put on some like Kiss lashes, but I always get the ones that like don't have that thick ass line on the eyelash. I feel like they look so fake when it has like the black strip. I'm gonna do underneath my eyes and let this dry, and then I'll add more black liner on the top just so like the strip of the lash matches my eye and doesn't look like glue. Down. Next I'm going to go in with some black eyeshadow and just lightly go underneath. Underneath of it. Super light, because I swear this blush is like really pigmented. I barely want to touch it. It's cute. I like to make my lids, like right here, look more pointy, so I'm gonna do like this heart shape. Then I'm gonna go in with the Revlon Colorstay Satin ink. And then I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Paris Pro Matte Gloss, and I'm just gonna do like the center of it just to give a little bit of more like lighter red. Now that is a cute red lip. My hair a little bit more darker because I'm going for like, I really want my jet black hair again, and then it'll all come together. You would need a little bit more of a highlighter. Let's add some highlight. My Wet n Wild highlighter on top of my nose, right here in the inner corners, on the sides, just a little bit. You know, I'm not gonna put it on my lips because anytime I wear red lipstick and I have like shimmer on my lips, it just cute. This is my Asian body look. This video, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that button for your post notifications so you can be alerted every time I upload a new video. And you guys don't forget to follow me on my socials. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Till next time, guys. Bye.